Good morning. It is Thursday morning. Yesterday I didn't film anything. It was raining and 40 degrees on and off all day, but we started the sprinkler system out at the rock wall job I did last week. So all the pipe is pulled and the downspouts are finished up from what I didn't do last week. So now today I had to go run and grab three larger trees, 3-inch. So we're gonna plant those three, and I have to put all the heads on, and then we're doing the plumbing and everything else also today. So should be an eventful day. Finally, it's 43 degrees at 9 a.m. and sunny, so the weather seems to finally have turned to be good. So we're gonna go ahead and take advantage of it and get as much done as we can. So hopefully I can bring you along and show us doing some sprinklers today. And I have the other two guys cutting lawns. So that'll be Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And then Monday we have one new guy starting and one guy back from school from last year. So we'll be able to really start rocking and rolling and getting a bunch done. So it's finally working towards our favor. So hopefully we can take advantage of it and get caught back up. If you want me to get a little bit ahead, you can try and mess with the downspout ends. Still. Whew, my legs are like sore from something.
Probably walking uphill.
Yeah, it feels good to stretch. We got the 3 trees in up front here, and now all the holes are dug, and I'm going through and putting the heads on. And for stuff like this, we got to funny pipe it over to the road. So that's where we're at. The 3 trees are in and mulched. Okay, all the heads are on, and we're backfilling them now, so time to build some valves and then put those on, wire them, and then I gotta go over and grade everything, and this job will be done. All right, just got back to the yard. Truck's trashed because the dirt roads from that job, but pretty much can stay loaded up for tomorrow. Got the auger in here and the skid steer because tomorrow the job is some street trees and some downspouts and a couple boulders, I believe, and some mulch. I don't know, I'll have to check, but pretty much I can leave it loaded up like this. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow.